This 5-minute solution will show you how to change or add category on Instagram. So if you are using Instagram creator or business account, then you will be able to add or change category. First of all, come to your profile page and tap on edit profile. And here under public business information section, you will get category. Tap on that. And as you can see, my current category is artist. And now to change, I'm going to selecting here personal blog and tap on done. And if you want to display your category in your profile, make sure to enable this option, display on profile. Tap on done. And I'm going back from here. And as you can see, my category has been changed and added to my profile. So this is how we can change our category on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.